Jai Shri Radhe Krishna, welcome to day 19. Let's say some positive affirmations. Confidence is my charm, intelligence my grace. I am elegance, strength, and endless possibility. Radiating positivity, I attract success effortlessly. I embody grace, intelligence, and unwavering self worth. In every challenge, I find refined strength and resilience. Love and respect flow naturally to me. I am deserving. Limitless potential, I reside. I am a timeless force. You all can pause the video and repeat these positive affirmations. So today I am sitting in Padmasana and I will be doing my whole practice in this position only. But if you are planning to sit in Padmasana, let me share a word of caution. Please do some warm up of your legs before sitting in Padmasana. And if you feel comfortable, then only sit. Otherwise, sit in any comfortable position, Sukhasana, or any comfortable position you like. Don't overexert any position. Let's start with a gazing meditation. We will carefully gaze at the tip of our nose. Let's start. All our focus and attention should be to the tip of our nose. If your eyes start to hurt, just gently close them and open them again after a couple of seconds. Then again start gazing at the tip of your nose. Gently rub your palms and cup them over your eyes. Gently open your eyes. Keep smiling and let's begin with the powerhouse pranayama, the Kapalbhati. We shall be doing 9 to 10 repetitions of this beautiful pranayama. So inhale from your nose and exhale while contracting your belly. Your belly should contract, it should move inside, and you should exhale from your nose. Do as many exhalations as possible within a minute. We will be doing 9 to 10 reps. So when you inhale, exhale as longer as possible. Exhale forcefully through your nose. Let's do this practice. It's not mandatory that you should do 9 to 10 reps. Just listen to your body and proceed accordingly. This wonderful pranayama opens up your lungs, creating more space for the oxygen intake, and it boosts you up with energy. It is also very helpful in removing the belly fat, the excess belly fat, if it is practiced on a regular basis. And relax. Gently open your eyes if your eyes were closed. Now let's proceed for the next pranayam, the Nadi Shodhana pranayam, the alternate breath breathing, left hand in Chin Mudra, right hand in Vishnu Mudra. So we'll be doing this pranayam. Just gently close your right nostril first. Inhale from the left nostril. Just hold your breath for a couple of seconds and gently exhale from right. Again, inhale from right and exhale from your left nostril after holding it for a couple of seconds. So your one repetition will be completed after you finally exhale from the left. You will start by inhaling from left nostril, keeping your thumb on the right, and at last you will exhale from the left. Keep your spine straight and try to do 9 to 10 repetitions of this pranayam. Your whole focus, complete focus should be on your breath, your inhalation and your exhalation. Even if your mind wanders, just gently acknowledge it, be kind to yourself, and bring your attention back to your breath. Just remember that you have to breathe at your normal pace in Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. You don't have to overexert. Just keep breathing normally, keep your hand position proper, and let's do it. and relax. Gently rub both of your palms, generate the heat, and cup your palms over your eyes. Open your eyes with a beautiful smile. Pay gratitude to God for giving us this another beautiful day. Namaste. So, this is a video of my after scenes. You can skip it. I was just warming up my legs and I was just coming in a comfortable position, coming out of Padmasana, massaging my legs and feeling grateful for this body and all God has given me.